If you ever wanted to add an external URL to the top of your LinkedIn profile, stick around because I have some great news for you. So starting today, you can add a website address to the top of your LinkedIn profile, which of course is great if you want to promote an upcoming event, share a demo, or even showcase a recent interview. So let's go ahead and do this. So you're going to find that handy little pencil right below that banner image. Click onto the pencil. You'll scroll all the way down. You'll see a section that says website. Now, don't confuse it with the website that's above here. It's the website at the very end. You're going to add that exact link to the page that you want your visitors to go to. As an option, you can add what that page points to. For me, it's my LinkedIn training request. Like I said, you can add anything that you want to it. Just press save. And what will happen, it shows up right in this area. Go ahead and do that. Let me know what you decide that you're going to add to your page.